Hi, welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host, Mark Guido. I'm here with my friends Abby and Colin, who are actually here attending the Utah RV show in Sandy, Utah at the Mountain America Exposition Center. Abby and Colin are looking at buying their first RV. What do you guys hope to get out of the show?
Maybe some good offers or good prices or some options and some ideas on how to
finish it and how to live in one.
Okay.
Right.
Understood. Would you guys have a pretty good idea what you want to get out of an RV? What features you're looking for? Tell us a little bit about what your priorities are.
It's certainly something that's light, not too big. Going to sleep us both comfortably.
We've looked at our pods. I'm actually curious what else there might be in that range, in that size
kind
range.
Of in the size and weight range and stuff like that.
Just something comfortable for just the two of us. That's not overly expensive. It's not. We're not ready to jump in with both feet.
Right, not to an Airstream. No way.
You don't fit in one anyway.
What are your parameters? Let's say, size. What are your parameters? What are you looking at?
3,000 pounds or less.
Okay.
Or in that range.
What kind of length are you looking at?
18 feet or so, 18, 20.
Okay, and you're looking at obviously a bumper pull trailer for that.
Correct.
Yes. You're looking at sort of sleeping two or more than two?
Just two, and maybe uncomfortably more, but two for sure.
Okay.
We'll have the guest tent.
Right, the guest tent.
Understood. Right. Sleep in the back of the truck, right?
Right, exactly.
Well, let's see what we can find here at the Utah RV show.
All right.
Okay. Out there in the 180.
Yeah, it is.
If we ever find an R-Pod, we'll show you. But I don't like this. Someone left their glasses.
No.
Not full-size refrigerator.
Right.
See, this is the freezer.
Right.
Ice cubes, that's about it. All right.
But I would argue this is the same as the 180 layout.
The 180 then.
Yeah. Yep.
Except we'll have a whole bunch of them. Okay. Next.
Yeah,
If you're shopping for an RV, the Utah RV show or any RV show is a great place to see all kinds of different kinds of rigs, all under one roof. Dealers from all around the area bring their inventory in so people can tour and compare and contrast. Anything from a Class A to a Class B, a Class C, travel trailer, fifth wheel. You'll find everything here from all different manufacturers. You'll also find manufacturers' reps who are often more helpful than salespeople in answering questions you may have about a particular rig.
That's the whole deal with sprinters. They're very cool. They're nice, but the whole purpose is
Got a real sink?
You don't go off road and camp someplace in some back corner.
And some really honking huge fifth wheels. Another thing we're seeing a lot of at this show are the small teardrop style trailers. A lot of them set up for effective off-road use. And as usual lately, there's a big emphasis on vintage models. Here we mix the classic and the teardrop. Seeing a lot of bright colors this year, especially on Class A's. This is a real nice touch. Stove cover that matches the existing countertop.
Different layouts.
But that's a 178.
What's this, a 178?
Yeah, 178. So
I want to go in and see what it looks like. I'll take a kid and throw them out.
here's
Is that a bad thing to say?
totally different.
I kind of like this seating better.
The same bathroom,
Same bathroom, right?
right?
I'm wondering if it has even less storage, if that's even possible, which I think it does have less storage.
Because where's the storage?
There's 0.
Right. It's in here.
Here.
Right. It's under here.
Here.
Right here. I mean,
Under the bed.
under here.
That's it. It's
Well,
possible.
you got some here.
People are making deals. And here's a line that's very near and dear to our hearts, because our rig is an Evo. You'll also find aftermarket equipment suppliers. So if you're looking to accessorize your rig or looking for ideas on how you might improve your rig, an RV show is a great place to get ideas or find products that'll work out for you. Aftermarket vendors include everything from fly tying to stand-up paddleboards that you can take on your adventure. Includes real estate that you have for permanent campsites that they have for sale with lots. You name it, it's here.
I have my square. I have my seat. It doesn't get any better than this.
How is that?
Oh, relaxing as can be.
Now, so you're planning on buying this today.
I am.
Did you get an RV yet?
No RV.
So what'd you guys find out? What'd you learn?
We learned that our thinking on the R-Pod is the right thing in terms of the trailer. We've had explored a lot of different options, and that's definitely the right choice for us.
Right. We saw a few things that are similar, and really, it confirmed that that's the one we want to buy.
Well, that's got to be a good feeling because you got to see a lot of different floor plans.
Right.
And a lot of other trailers in like the same size.
Yeah,
And
the
now
fit,
you
and
know-
the fit and finish and the quality and yes, all of that.
So now you know even more that you've got what you want.
Exactly.
That's good.
Exactly.
Good.
Right.
So it served a purpose, right?
It did.
Absolutely. It was
All
a lot
right.
of fun.
All right.
So that's going to do it for our visit to the 2018 Utah RV Show. We hope that you've enjoyed touring the show with us. If you're not yet one of our subscribers, we'd love to count you amongst our grand adventurers. So please subscribe to the channel. Right here on the screen is the most convenient way, or you can hit the subscribe button on the YouTube page hosting this channel. Also give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we'd love to see your comments down below. And please share this video with your friends and family on social media. And until next time, remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you soon.